Hi all, this is Sridhar speaking. I think many people have started buying the Mac Minis, right? So there is definitely a purpose for them to buy a Mac Mini. Otherwise, nobody wanted to invest that much amount of money and also do some set of activities, right? They can do it with some other activities. So after doing a lot of research and many other articles and reading white papers and all those things, I also thought of the best possible machine which can run 24 hours and can run the system without any dissipating heat and without any lagging, right? So that actually makes the things. Now, um, I was like thought okay, definitely Mac Mini has to be purchased, but of which configuration, right? So basically everybody is going into the base configuration. I'll tell you the base configuration, which is of 16 GB RAM and 256 GB of SSD, is a good option. But at the same time, if you run for continuously for 4 or 5 days, you will see a lag. Definitely a lag is there. And of course, when you run for large models and all those things, the heat will be dissipated on the top of the Mac Minis. Of course, if you run very small models like 9 GB model, which have specified Quen 3.596B, right? That particular model, I think it is good, but however, you can't run 2 to 3 models at the same time because it consumes a lot of GPU and also the space, memory space, right? I will be so in that angle, if you see, I also taken Mac Mini, but like a different option. So you can see over here, this is the Mac Mini which I have purchased, right? So you can see over here, this is the Mac Mini which I have purchased, and this is the configuration which is present, right? Mac Mini with 12 core CPU and 16 core GPU with 24 GB RAM and 1 terabyte of SSD with 1 GB PE, right? So this option is something like very nice. All right, so you can see the Mac Mini which is running over here. You can see over this is the Mac Mini which I have added. So with single plug installation, all the three monitors have been connected. The entire set of hardware resources, whatever is their camera and every other thing, keyboard, speaker, everything is connected via this one particular cable, right? This one particular cable. So this is Type C cable and it connects everything. Okay, the same set. This particular setup is much more useful because if you go over in the setup, right? Let me go over in the setup and check it out. So if you go over here and if you see over here, it is 24 GB. Okay, so if you go for more reports, you will be getting more information. 24 GB RAM, and then you have 1 terabyte of space. So 1 terabyte of space is there, but however, you can see some set of storage is already gone in over here. If you go over in system report, so you will get the entire system report over here. Now, if you go over here with the memory, you will get a 24 GB of RAM that is already there. And if you go for graphics display, so you can say 16 core is there, right? 16 core GPU, right? So and then if you go for NVMe Express, you will be getting 1 TB of storage space. So now I think now why I went for this specification, I can go for Mac Studio also, right? So Mac Studio, uh, it's like very bulky, right? It is like almost like as two bricks, which is equivalent to looks a lot amount of space. But however, I think it can be used if you are running a very high loaded module like trillion parameters or some of the agents which are consume lot of memory, right? And of course it consumes lot of power also at the same time. For me, I just wanted to run a set of agents which is within 9 GB within RAM, whichever I have, like 24 GB of RAM, and that would be helpful for local running like a Herms agent with the AIO related part. There are many things I have planned to run so many agents inside this. Which can also be used for many other purposes. So I think this is the first step which I have taken it out to run a lot of agents and running the experimentation. So expect more videos on AI agents and a lot of wikis, a lot of POCs on this angle. Now I have a dedicated machine which I can run POCs and clear the spaces whenever it is completed, right? And these POCs can be done with respect to like the tools which are really good, right? So the POCs which really matters a lot, I will be like sharing those set of information. And of course, you can learn more about those Mac Mini related part. Thank you.